Kwamaphepha. Khamba kahle siswami. Uwena odayisayo la? Ezakho lezini? Uqambelwana manga. Bayayithenga. Apho Kishelwane. So bebuye bezoyidayisela nini? Oh. So isuke zikuphi? Hawu. Yo. So nihamba niyokulanda emgomeni buye nizokudayisa lana ukudla nini? Yo. Eish. Ushone kuphi? Ushone nini? Every day kuba khona oshonayo. Yo. So akunigulisi. Yo, oh yeah.
Sorry, what? You look a bit emotional. What did you
Yeah, ish. They are eating from this. She says all this stuff here. Apa my drugs. Yeah. Banga gaban. Bawaphatha ngani? Oh, park. Yeah.
So what did she say?
No, she's also saying that all the drug traffickers, if they see me, they run away, and they get this stuff from the bins, from trash bins. And they take it and they come and eat it here, and sometimes when some of them eat it, they die. Yeah, somebody, I think just now somebody passed away. Ukusiphi isihlahla?
Somebody passed
Yes,
away.
yeah.
Now?
Yeah. Izo. Yes. Lo emboze.
Huh?
Yeah. Yo. Aish, no, I need to go. Amawasha angaka ndoda wafuka wacapha nonke. Moshe. Sanibona madoda. Ziyaphila insizwa. Niphile bafana bakithi niyezwa. Niyazi mina ukuthi nikuphi nihlala kephi kimi angithi. Ya sizoyilungisa uhlineleni wena. Yimina ngakuletha la. Uhlineleni pho. Akuhlini ungabe uvuka ekseni uhlina akuthini esadoza la. Sifuna ukukukhipha la sizokubingelela ngomoya omuhle. Ungayitsheli ngoba sizonibingelela ngomoya omuhle. Bonke abaholi nabona abaholi bathathe wonke ama-allowance bawabeke lapha bawanikeza indawo nina abanamsebenzi nani. So angingathi ke ngiza mina ngomoya omuhle ngiyinikela ngingenamali ngingayena uhulumeni wena bese uzohlini lokungitshekela la ungitshekela utshekeleni. Qina umjidi. Hamba kahle. Manje ngicabanga ukuyiyeka lento bafethu. Ngikhathele. Ngizonithatha la khululekani. Yeah. Ngizonithatha la khululekani ngizonithatha nizoyolima nini. Uhamba uyihlalela emasimini uyilimela uyibulusela izimbuzi uyidlela inyama. Yeah. No phela ngithi into yokuqala before iskill usebenzisa fanele ube nokudla esiswini. Funeka ni understand leyo. Into yokuqala nje balekile fanele ube nokudla esiswini bese uqhuba iskill sakho. So iskill sokuqala ufuna ukusenze fanele ulime ukwazi ukuyikhandela ukudla ukuze ungezukuthenga. Niyezwa ukuze uzokwazi ungeza ukuthenga uzokwazi ukuthi mase uyitholile leyo mali yakho isebenze ngeskill sakho ukwazi ukuyibeka ibikhula ungathengi yonke into. Uyabona? Wena ngane uzochaza wena ngikhathele ukukhuluma isingisi mina manje. Yeah, mtshele lo. Nayi ngane.
He's a businessman.
Yeah.
Good. Umhlaka 23 kuJune namhlanje 2026.
7 days to go.
7 days to go.
7 days to go.
Silapha eThekwini namhlanje ngithe ke siphinde sixoxisana nomkhaya ngodaba lolu lenzuka inke ekhona and mhlawumbe uqala nemkhaya ngihlala ngqoma umsebenzi omuhle enwenzayo ukuthi niwenza ngokuthula nokuyimisela neorder futhi nijabulisa abantu abaningi nabanye sebethi induku ayingaphathwa ngoba benethemba lokuthi mhlawumbe induku iyozelekwa isenizwana
balinde ukuthi sibachukuluze manje bayabona sibachukuluze sebecinga into yokusichukuluza ke
kanti phela induku into eyithi nje kwaZulu lesiphathala
yabona nje basingayiphethe emkhaya asiphelele
kunjani
indoda ngenduku
nami nje khona ekhaya ayikwazi ukuhlala ingabheki njalo so siyabonga mkhaya 7 days to go and kade ngibuka la eThekwini bekhuluma umeya la umnumzane Caba ngicabanga ukuthi ensukwini ezimbali ezedlule ethi uma nje abantu bekhuluma nje kuphela ama allowance illegal ethi baqale ko 1000 wanyuka wathi sebela ko 30000 naba basazi akekho umuntu owazi ukuthi bangani ngoba bayathutheleka eThekwini kuphela so
abezwe
lilodwa usungathi ucabanga ukuthi abamazwe ngokuhlukahlukana bangakanani aba illegal uthini kuleyo ndawo ngikhaya
mkhaya wami ngiyathokoza my mentor ubaba uGugulethu Xaba uShobata mfowethu okokuqala into esizama ukuyikhombisa uhulumeni ukuthi uhulumeni buka ukuthi inkinga engakanani inkinga ibonwa yithi thina sihleli nayo sicela usihloniphe sicela usilalele uma umeya ethi akasazi nokuthi uzokwenza njani because labo bantu sebeyela ko 30 million ukhuluma ngabantu abayilethile baseMalawi kuphela kusekhona abantu baseMalawi abasayihlalele bona endaweni zabo ngoba mhlambe banayo imali mhlambe bathenjisa ukuthi bazovikelwa mhlambe futhi bahlela ukuthi bazohamba einzukweni banama resources okuyihambisa but if umasipala weTheku wodwa ngezwe lodwa ukwazi ukuthi kube nabantu abasendaweni eyodwa about 30,000 ithini leyo nto ngo-States SA isho ukuthi u-States SA kahle hle yonke leminyaka uqamba manga kithi and mangabe sidam sakha thina every time akhona ama-video angifakazela umkhaya if we are thumb sucking we are saying ama-foreigners in this country are more than 30 million I've been saying it in a couple of podcasts ngisho ukuthi baningi laba bantu because thina senza ucwaningo sineminyaka ewu-12 siqale ngo-2010 ukusebenza lo msebenzi esiwusebenzayo wensizwa nomsizwa Development Foundation sine data eningi sineyidleke zama-drugs sesizinqwaba yamaphoyisa ukuthi akwazi ukubopha lawa asuke efuna ukubopha nayonke lo so into nje uhulumeni okudinga ukuthi ayenze dinga ukuthi alalele abantu base-South Africa angazama ukuphambana nabo ngoba uma ephambana nabantu we understand ukuthi abaholi njengamanje baseyikhundleni so they are trying to protect their short term positions but that is not the case. This is the country, it's got laws and these laws needs to be respected and adhered to so ke sicela nje uhulumeni ukuthi ahloniphe lento esiyenzayo ngoba izobuyisa umnotho umkhaya abantu bayaqashwa bayaqashwa kakhulu bayaqashwa abantu base South Africa bese siphinde sicela ke kubantu bakithi ukuthi sesibonile sike sayidlalela sayiphuzela utshwala sachitha isikhathi sangawuhlonipha umsebenzi sashaya incwadi zodokotela ezingekho emthethweni siqamba manga sithi siyagula sesibonile ukuthi ukwenza lezo zinto kusihluphekise kangakanani kwavulela nabanye abantu ukuthi beze bazodla izwe lethu njengamanje uma ubuyela emsebenzini yeka ukuphuza yeka ukulova emsebenzini sebenza ziqeqeshe ngokomqondo zitshele ukuthi usemsebenzini kuze kuyofika endaweni zamaphutha
udinga ukuyimisela kakhulu umkhaya ngoba lento le njengoba lesikhuluma ukuthi njengabasunguli bayo nabahamba phambili njengamahalanjonjo kuyona isingaphezulu kwenu khulu bayo sebudinga ukuthi wonke umuntu waseNingizimu Afrika asondele mhlawumbe emkhaya okunye okubalekile ukuthi asicacise lo akubona ukuthi kuzondwa abantu base-Afrika udaba la lungokuhlonipha imithetho yezwe wonke umuntu o-illegal aze ngiyibone mina lento njengoba sikhuluma nje ngeTheku kuthiwa eMaritzburg bayathutheleka usungacabanga ukuthi mangaka amadolobha eNingizimu Afrika bese ucabanga ama-nationalities akhona eNingizimu Afrika ukuthi laba abanye bangakabonakali bona bangakanani abakhona it's not about ukuzonda ama-Afrika ukuthi lonke ikhaya linemithetho liyazi lento ukuze uma ngale wesikhathi ukuthi ungayicacisa kanjani kubantu
Yeah.
ukuthi uma ungena kwandabandaba uhlonipha umthetho wakhona
Kunjalo.
uma ungena kwacala uhlonipha umthetho wakhona
Yeah.
so awumani ungena ufohle
Into enhle emkhaya ngalaba bantu ukuthi emazweni abo imithetho yabo iqinile.
Yes.
Yeah, so they understand uhulumeni that is causing the problem.
Yes.
Ikhulu zikahulumeni, some of the leaders ka ANC are the ones who are causing this problem because laba bantu baya understand that. That's why most of them voluntarily left.
Yeah.
And you know, some of them asked for repatriation. Because babonile ukuthi hayi ngempela.
Yes.
And there's videos of them
sebeyaqala bayakhuluma abanye bayasho ukuthi lento yenziwe eNingizimu Afrika
Yeah, it's something.
Yeah.
Mina mkhaya, I'm pledging myself. I'm putting myself down and saying, I can help African countries.
Yes.
I can help the people of Africa to elect the right people.
Yes.
I can influence and motivate
Yeah.
my African brothers and sisters
Yeah.
to stand for their country, to stand up for their country and hold their governments accountable. I can help that. There is no hate. There is no hate. It is a law and order that even in their countries, as they fled their countries, they know they can't leave their countries and come to other countries and exercise their wrongful rights that most of them are fighting for.
and really speak so loud. I always say, because I travel a lot to the continent, and that in other countries you've got freedom of speech, but you don't have freedom after the speech. So that's what happens in other African countries, and that's the truth. So we are asking our African brothers and sisters to hold their governments accountable and make sure that their governments do the right thing. Because mkhaya, usazopawula nje, mina I consider this as a big reset
button, yes. 100%.
Not only for South Africa,
yeah, for Africa,
but for the
and
entire
world.
African continent and the whole world. The whole world is crying about the same thing. There are other places lapho baxosha khona wonke umuntu wase-Africa. So what does that say to us about Africans, about our governance?
We need to come together. In respective countries, people need to come together, and because the problem is the politicians have taught people to be violent. The reason why they are frustrated is because we are not violent, and they are frustrated that they wanted something to talk about
and even arrest you
and arrest us, and now they don't have anything abangayisho. So ke sithi thina sicela kwawona our brothers and sisters in their countries, they should use the same model. Put down your corn knives, put down your spears, put down everything. Just put your hands at the back and say to the leaders, we voted for you. Fix our country. Our country's got resources, our country's got everything, so they mustn't be poor like this. And actually Africa must start thinking about stopping taking the resources outside of Africa. If those companies that are refining the resources, they must come and refine them in Africa. Because why would I want to go and buy gold in England? You know, it doesn't make sense. So siyabonga kakhulu, but okukhulu kakhulu mkhaya. Now that we are here, umhlaka 3 usufikile, sesicela nini ama technocrats, sesicela nini izifundiswa zakithi, sesicela nini osomabhizinisi, sesicela nini enaziyo ukuthi umnotho ugadwa kanjani on a larger scale. Sicela nini ukuthi nisondele ke manje nithi hayi madoda sebeqhelile abantu bokufika, sekulungile ke asiqaleni something manje ezokwenza ukuthi abantu base South Africa befunde ukwenza umsebenzi, because uhulumeni lacked that. You have all lama government departments and government bodies okufanele ngabe from 1994 afundisa abantu bakithi, but instead of ukufundisa abantu bakithi wonke leminyango kahulumeni became a money laundering schemes instead of helping people. Now sesithi ke sesilwile impencane, impenkulu ngeyomnotho. Sesicela nina ke izazi zakithi ukuthi nisondele, abantu abafundile basondele, besisize ke thina ukuthi sekulungile ke sebeqhelile laba bantu izwe ke le structure isho kanje le structure, and leave politics aside. Leave politics out of this program. Because it won't help.
It won't help.
The politics has taken the country down. We can't use the same tool to put the country down.
We have seen what politics has done, and we can't be eating politics and drinking politics. We understand that. Unfortunately, that's a system that is in place. But le ayidingi ipolitiki idinga abantu abathanda izwe labo. As we are saying in Mkhaya, ukuthi abasondela abantu bakithi abanochopho obujulile maqondana nokuthi fa kwenziwe njani kwakho komnotho. Kade ngibona omunye ngqonto umngatira ekhuluma ngokuthi laba abantu abagxekayo ake beyeke ukugxeka abeze nawo abamazi ngoba njoba nje ni hola lomkhankaso mkhaya kuyamangaza ukuthola abantu abahlakaniphile begxeka nje kuphela kodwa uma ungathi phela kulungile ke awuthi ngihlehle
inkinga iqala lapho mkhaya umuntu noma imuphi umuntu ogxeka engenaso isixazululo akahlakaniphile. You see the problem with abantu bakithi abamnyama, umuntu wakithi omnyama makakwazi ukukhuluma kahle isilungu isilungu sakhe simenza abukele phansi abantu bakubo.
That's right.
I dare any highly educated person, I dare him to conduct a march with 5,000 men and
Peacefully.
alone control that march peacefully. I dare them. They can't do that. So how smart? How are you smart if you can't
demonstrate how is smartness?
Yes. So asiyeke singabantu abansundu ukuthi uma wafunda wakwazi ukukhuluma isilungu sakho kube ngesokubukela phansi abantu bakini. Asiyeke ukuthi mangabe umuntu wakini umuntu onsundu ubona abantu bakini benza into instead of uzofaka ihlombe to help when you see an opportunity to analyze and criticize, but you are not doing anything.
That's true.
Because you are sitting from a couch of privilege and then you can just say anything. We are men. We are just clear about the country. We know what we want about the country. And the same people that speak high English and big English, they have no vision about the country. You've never seen them in one video talking about the country or doing something about the country. The time to talk is done. The time to promise people is done. The elections are coming. No leader must go to your house and campaign and tell you what he's going to do in the next 5 years. They must do it now because it's been 32 years. They've given every promise. We've had every promise. We've seen every act and we've seen everything. Sesanele manje. Akasekho umuntu kufanele efike emakhaya ethi uzokhankasa. Kufanele kwenziwe manje. Mabe ngafuni ukwenza manje yikho ke thina senza ngalolu hlobo esenza.
It's very interesting ukuthi for the longest time many of the politicians and other analysts and everybody else have always been saying we are sitting on a ticking time bomb. And with unemployment, murder rates, and a whole lot of ills that are out there in the society. And what amazes me is when people who should be calling you as leaders, even at the national level, and saying, come, let's sit. Simonile tina kuswakdala ngekhathi zoMadiba ukuthi mama bunu engaphathekile kahle kwenze ngokuthile babizwe fast kuthiwa come let's sit around. But we appreciate it. We have seen some provinces calling you, but we have not seen this done at the highest level of this country, which I believe should have been done long time ago, to say you represent the people that are really frustrated on the ground. And this is something that is happening all over the country. Siyabonga mkhaya ngenxa yesikhathi siyathokoza kakhulu ukuthi usinikeze leli thuba and siyakhuleka and siyabonga ukuthi konke nikwenzayo kuzosebenza kahle futhi njengoba kade nisho ukuthi akuliwa namuntu akubulawa umuntu akushawa umuntu kulwelwa izwe ukuthi libe right.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Umhla ka-30 bafowethu is just a day. Umhla ka-30 is just a day that we put out there as a deadline. Akusi event, so nobody is going to get hurt. Nobody is going to destroy any business. Asifuni bantu abazohambe beyolutha bethi umhla ka-30 unqamla juku. Akusi unqamla juku ukulutha umhla ka-30. Usuke salibeka ukuthi ngalo kufanele abantu bokufika bebe sebehambile. Uma bebe abanye bengakahambi ngoba sibabonile phela behamba. Kufanele nathi siyibone masinqoba. Kufanele kube lula ukubona mawunqoba. Ungalwi nento noma usuyehlulile. Njengamanje we wanted to get the attention of the leaders. We got the attention of the leaders. Let us show ukuthi sihlakaniphile, sikhombisa ukuthi siyaphila, sikhombisa ukuthi lento esiyifunayo into yangempela asiganga. Ngakho ke akukho kubi okufanele kwenzeke. Uma kuyobe khona abasasele after e30 sizobuka ke leyo nto ukuthi sisukela lapho kuya phambili senza njani. Siyathokoza kakhulu.
So bese siqoqana ke mkhanje ngoba ucelile sikakhulukazi abantu abadila nomnotho. Sihlale phansi sakhe igunundu elizobe lixoxa kakhulu ukuthi kwenziwa njani ukusiza isimo kuya phambili. Siyathokoza kakhulu mkhanje. Thank you so much.